To see how she is doing the pujas to the plantation. Yeah. So Tilakam. So she is tying up the Rakhi.
बस सब यहाँ नहीं बांधना पे अपनी अपनी जगह बांधो
To protect this plant for environment,
लो रोहित देगा फोटो लो
we made as a cultural program today. So
मोबाइल मेरा इतना अच्छा चल रहा है
it's not a plant for them, it's a god in that plant. So that's why we do this prayer and protections here. You see here, these are the glass. So it's not merely we protect the plant, we protect the environment, we protect the nature. We are teaching these girls to protect all these things. So see these small girls, the banyan tree, she is tying up here. Here you can see the girls, she is doing here, plantation, tying up the Rakhi, protecting our nature, environment, everything. See, so beautiful. Yeah, she is smiling. So we have brought for them gift. I brought from the Rishikesh the bags for them to give them and make them happy. She is also tying up this Rakhi in occasion of Raksha Bandhan. So it's a beautiful. So we have a different plants here. We have more people here doing all these works. Do beta? Oh, done? Ho gaya? Yeah, she is also plant. So she has done this Raksha Bandhanam to protect, take a sankalpa to protect the plant. They are ready to do this Raksha Bandhanam. So they are taking.
माँ सबरी धाम श्री कुंडेश्वर धाम में वृक्ष एवं माँ प्रकृति की रक्षा के लिए आज बाल कन्या का आयोजन किया गया, जिसमें वृक्ष की रक्षा के लिए हमने
संकल्प. So these are the men also, they are enjoying to tie the Rakhi, and these are the neem tree to taking sankalpa, taking oath to protect this environment, protect the nature. It's a small effort we are doing together, and because of you all everything is getting success. So he is also tying up here a small plant. He has done this, and these are the main. There are lots of plants we have. एक ही जगह मत बांधो ना, दूसरे जगह भी बांधो, दूसरे जगह एक ही जगह सब मत करो, दूसरे जगह. So these are the people. Tulsi leaf, tulsi plant. Yeah, you see, he's doing. We have a here also. Here also, these are the ladies. The papaya plant, they're tying up papaya. We have a more plants, but because of this, the heavy grass around, so they don't want to go down. So we have more than 5,000 plants we have here around here. Hey, you can see, he's our friend Rohit ji tying up. What is your name? Aapka naam kya hai?
My name is
Sunil ji. So these are the plants. And here we have more plants, you can see. We planted here also. This is a small plant. And this we have a plant. Bottom we have a river. So we have a water facilities also. The grass is grown up a little bit higher, so you cannot see this more plants around, but we have enough plants. So this program we are doing, okay? So these are the girls. They are going to tie this Raksha Bandhan to the plants. So we are giving the training to the girls to tie the Raksha Bandhan to protect the plants. They have brought this coconut, Rakhi and Kumkumam. Okay, so these are the plants here. And here see, this boy is a little bit mischief, so he's trying to break the branch. So he's tying up here, and this you can see she has planted this plant, so she is tying up this Raksha Bandhan along with her son. So she has planted. Yeah.